Wahala for who they attend break and pay church. My people, pastor don't come outside. They warn all in members. Serious warning, you know. You say whether they swear for them. Say anybody will fall under anointing now. Say you no go take and play. Say if you fall under anointing, you break something. Or you'll be your case because you go pay anything when you break. The man don't tire. You see, if pastor just greet you, you don't fall under anointing. Pastor shake your hand, you don't fall under anointing. Even if they call you for phone, you fall under anointing. Waiting. The man don't tire, so now you don't come outside, can't talk this thing. So I beg, when I wait, know the church. I just give am break and pay, you understand? I beg. When I see the man, I just say, many of you go recognize the name of the church. So Biko, join me, make we listen to the pastor.
And I've warned in the first service, for those of you that like to fall under anointing and break things, if you fall under anointing again in this church and break anything you pay, from today is break and pay. Any spirit that breaks anything in this church again will pay. That mad demon. This camera is 1 million. If you are falling under anointing, don't go there. Tell the demon inside of you not to go to this camera. You want to fall under power. You fall break television. You fall break camera stand. You fall break. Don't go near that computer system or media. If they come there, fire will burn them. You touch one computer there, 500,000. Always falling under anointing, falling under anointing. Pastor shake you, fall under anointing. Pastor touch your head, you fall under anointing. Pastor say, come here. You near pastor, you fall under anointing. Faller. Please stop falling, bring money.
Mami. Now, wahala for who fall under anointing. This period, no be smiling period. No, make una forget all that thing when they do this one. If they say they don't break this man pulpit, they don't break your altar. The man don't tire. This man, at this show say this man don't repair, he don't buy, nothing where this man never do. And all that period, you no go talk because you understand. Now work of God. Because work of God. Now when I want break person head. Hey, Chineke. I beg you see, because matter don't reach me now. Everybody come dey ask me, Madam Aproko, what did this man try to talk now? Say falling under anointing affecting people they act up. My people, now two different things. Not be saying fake. Anointing they real, but some people don't they overdo some kind things. They know themselves. Any small thing they could just do like say they won't die. I beg, real, but some people don't do overuse them. Even waiting no need. Even when their body like they conscious, they could just fall. Wow. So now why this man now you don't come outside? The man don't tire. See, my people, listen to me very, very well. If una dey inside church, all of una wey know this church, una wey dey attend this church, look the man face, so also una see am very well. Anytime when una enter this church, una see this man, because tell una demon make they hold on. Tell them say no be time, make they wait. If not, it go shock you. By the time you fall finish, anytime when you want stand up, even at 2 hours, ushers go sit down there, they wait. You understand? When you don't recover, my sister just transfer. Because the matter don't dey very serious. Nobody fit control Holy Spirit. You understand? They move according to your own time. But see, if like say this man know him members. He know him members. He know how they do am. You understand? The way some people they fall for church. The way some people they fall. My people now so I go one church. Hey, you see me say wahala. Now my first time be that for the church. You understand? So I don't know how they do their things. They come they pray one by one. Everybody come they fall. Everybody just dey ground though. Now so they touch hand for my head. I no grieve for problem. Everybody come they eye me. If you not see the eye where they give me. Now so I kukuma carry myself jejely lie down for ground. You understand? Because the way they go look you, like say, see, the way people they fall for church, You wait not for you go come dey feel say you be demon or you be devil or na you sin pass. It dey happen. Now why that day for that church? Hey, I just jejely lie down for ground. Oh. You understand? So that Chineke fallers. Dey fallers una wey know una sef wey una dey fall anyhow because things don cost for market o. Una know how much be microphone? Things don cost for market make una no go add another. You understand? Na so una go dey fall, dey break chairs, dey break things. Then when pastor announce am for church say okay we need people to bring money so that we go buy things, una go dey talk say they wan chop una money. No be una dey break the things. No be una dey break the things. How much be una offering wey pastor wan chop una money? Abeg. See, they don beg me. See now since you know how many days they don beg me make I bring this thing. I just dey think say how my people go feel. But my people, I don study, I don look inside this matter na true. Make una abeg take am easy o. Oh, Breaking and Paying Association of Nigeria, no be small matter. My people, make una join me celebrate oh. Relax, don't be my birthday, boy. They do me like say na my birthday, understand? Una know that thing where they always they talk say anything wey comes around go. I mean anything wey you throw up, it go surely come down. My people, matter don't come. Nah. This one they very hot. They don't sack burata yo. Hey, everywhere na jollification. They jolly they go. As una go know, now this man been there in charge of army staff. You understand? The way he can put Atairu. Say, okay, me Atairu dey in charge of the Boko Haram fight. Me in there for war front. You understand? And that one happened for 2017. Oh. Where they come, they do. Now so, Buratai come tell Atairu say, he give am 40 days. Say if in 40 days he no bring the leader of Boko Haram, whether na dead or alive or whether na in bones, anyhow, but he must bring the leader of Boko Haram. Where this guy come fail, Ungwano, na so they sack him. Na so Buratai come sack Atairu, say incompetence, say he no fit do work, he no reach to do work. My people no be small matter. As I dey talk to una now. Buhari don't come turn table round. Now Buhari don't come remove Buratai. Just like that. My people, this life no balance. No balance. If una see jollification, people just dey jolly. In fact, now if you no, I beg una wey they watch me now, go beg anybody for money. Go see how they go dey send you money because now everybody dey happy mood. I beg for una wey no know wetin dey happen now for Nigeria. The reason why people dey jolly they go because join me make we watch our fellow Nigerians. No look them like that oh. For these people to happy like this, for them to celebrate, we are supposed to know say Buratai na. In fact, I'm not even gonna call am devil, make una not say I'm too wicked. Bad man. This man go dey put soldiers' life at risk. He no even care. Person wey send people go war, say Boko Haram this, Boko Haram that, he can't send them. The agreement, they say, okay, when they reach there, you understand, because they go there grounded, they fight Boko Haram people, say they go send a helicopter. So that in case of anything, you know how these war things, they happen. So that in case of anything, they go get plan B, where they go fit take escape. My people, these soldiers go, they go war. Hey, fight. My people now know, people die, some people run. Helicopter where? They don't even see rope when they go use climb, not talk of helicopter. Now, so this man maltreat. In fact, he over treat them bad. Now, why you see they dance like this? Oh, before uncle, nobody said that they give them any money. But the fact say now they know say their life. At least we never know, but at least for now, the one way they don't suffer before, they don't see say they don't escape that one. Now, why you not see them like this? Chai! I see this one embarrassment in highest level. Una know what it mean? You remove person. They can't remove you, put person where you no. In fact, this one, my brother, they don't downgrade you finish. Your class, they don't bring them down. And matter now where they reach me be say, because some people don't tell me say, Madam Aproko, say this thing no good, you know go say na Leo Irabo, suppose they that position now. Now what did they tell me? Now come they wonder say, why? My people, now so I come here say, Buhari come they talk say no want anybody we know the northern part of Nigeria. If you know say you no be northern, you no fit occupy that position. I no can understand. No, me, I no can understand this part. So now they don't carry politics, enter military, this thing. Buhari, be like say this man no want change. So instead of make you dey focus, make you think of the safety of your citizens, you understand, the security and all those things, you still dey find northerner. So what if person wey fit do this work no be northerner? Let me say Nigerians go die, all in the name of northerner. Abeg, nothing go still change the fact say we dey celebration mood. Una understand? We no say definitely we no know wetin we dey expect. Maybe this one wey they put now, because Buhari as they sack am because of incompetence, Buhari come bring am back. What if the reason why they sack this one are true? Hey, my people, I no wan believe say Nigeria dey in serious trouble. I no want talk some things. You understand? I no just want talk some things with my mouth. Chineke, Buhari. No, see, at least you don't do something now. I'm not talking 100%. I just you understand? No, my people, may we just give a small accolade. Just small. At least you don't start something. But this thing we're supposed to do long time, and now you can't do it. No worry. You're being the look for northerner. Relax. Now like this, we go jubilate when they remove it for 2023. Oh. This one when we they do same. Now part 1. When they remove you, I they should say even heaven go come down, they dance with us like this, because that day, people will even dash their house, cars, say they don't want. It could be serious victory. My people, I just they hope say this thing will happen now, go teach people lesson. I hope say this thing go teach people lesson. See, no matter where you find yourself, do good. Why? They feel replace you anytime. No be here with they. They feel just put anybody here, put cow, put human being, anything feel happen. So make sure say anywhere where you find yourself, you do good. See what happen to this one now. Don't sit down now for house with your family. My brother, don't worry. They drink the garri, they go. Our prayers are with you. You understand? I beg my people, if you know say they jubilate the way they jubilate, I want to know. I drop her down for that comment section. If you know say you did my team, now today I want to. So drop her for the comment section. And not forget, very very important. If you now no share this video, now me go sakuna. Na joke at the joke, you understand? I beg help me share this video. It's very very important. And if you never subscribe, Biko Ejo subscribe. It's very very important too. Don't go far, guys. Love you. See you later.